I was browsing around recently on Tomoquads website, and I saw the little X-Fighter 2-inch was on sale for 23 bucks. So I thought, oh, that looks like a neat little thing. I'd never actually seen this frame before. I guess it's been out for about 6 months, but it's a really cool design. Basically, the camera is on the back, and so the camera has kind of a view of the front of the little quad flying around. So I think that would look really cool. And I have some electronics. You might remember the C120 build I did with the Eachine Minicube and these little HGLRC 6000 kV motors. I think I'm going to take the gear from this, including the micro Sparrow too, and just move everything directly over. I don't think I'll have to solder or desolder anything, and just move it right over to this little 2-inch X-Fighter frame. So let's open this up. This is my first time ordering a kit from Tomoquads, and I have to say, so far I'm impressed. Looks like it comes with a lot of hardware and everything. See, the little 0.5 is crossed out. It's the X-Fighter 2. So this little 2-inch, neat. Oh, that's nice. This is a very nice carbon. Really strong there. That's nice. And also, in addition to being on only 23 bucks, it comes with the extra set of 3D printed parts. So yeah, nice. And some, looks like some standoff hardware there. Pretty good. And more standoff hardware. Or I mean, flight controller mounting stuff right there. That looks pretty good. That's nice. Nice little strap. This looks like probably the camera mount. So I'll just move everything over, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll be right back. Well, here it is, the little 2-inch X-Fighter from Tomoquads. Got the electronics all moved over, and I did end up doing some soldering. I just shortened the motor wires just so it'll be a little bit neater. But yeah, pretty neat. Just installed my own little battery pad there, and this came with this nice strap. This weighs 77 grams, and I'm going to fly it with these Avon 2022 quad blades. We'll see how those go. And let's see, and just on this small little 3S 450. But yeah, I can't wait. Let's go check it out.